Here at Truemont Materials, we're located in Green Cove Springs, Florida, just south of Jacksonville. We're all local to the area. Jacksonville, Orange Park, Fleming Island. We've got a guy down in St. Augustine. So we're pulling from everywhere around here. Looking forward to grow with Green Cove. At Truemont, so we do retaining walls, gravity walls, light pole bases, a new product probably not a lot of people have heard of, but it's called Coast Armor. Beautiful product. Honestly, it's comparatively to vinyl or steel sheet pile, you can't really beat it. I mean, concrete in general is such a sturdy, substantial product that longevity, looks of it, it's leaps and bounds better than competition. And I'm not just saying that because I work here. Concrete historically is just a far superior product. One of the reasons to switch from other products that you've used in the past, say like small block or CMU, to Ready Rock specifically, the aesthetics of the block. I mean, that alone to me is, you have this beautiful landscape in Florida already, and then to accent it with a cast in place wall, you can't beat what that Ready Rock wall looks like. Comparatively, yes, to a small block CMU wall, material costs are going to be greater with the Ready Rock, but you can have such a greatly reduced crew to actually install the product. You can have one operator and one guy on the ground. The speed at which you can put this wall up, opportunity cost, you can do many more walls in a season than you can with other products. So one of the benefits with Novum, same vein with our traditional Ready Rock block, is it's a smaller footprint, smaller block, a lot easier to handle. You can break into that market quite a bit easier. You can use smaller pieces of equipment. You can get into tighter spaces, but you still have that aesthetics of the Ready Rock and the engineering behind it as well. I mean, it's not just a pretty block. It's something that's been studied and engineered, and it's a substantial wall once it's all said and done. Another advantage of using precast products is, I mean, a lot of the work gets done before it gets to your job site. If there's any modifications or special needs that you have on a job site, I mean, that can get handled or taken care of in our plant here. Speeds the process up, reduces man hours or labor hours on your job site. A few of the things that makes Truemont unique to others is our network of engineers. We have a local engineering firm that we work with, Sequoia Engineering, and then also we have our own in-house engineering that we can get with and figure out any unique items on your job. So one of the things that drew me to this company, they enjoy doing stuff. And what I mean by doing stuff is they enjoy finding problems and fixing those problems or creating a solve to that problem. And I love that. That to me is, you don't have to do the same thing every day, right? You're always trying to find a better way to do something. And Coast Armor specifically, from an idea to actual product being made, was 6 months. And that was brand new to the industry. That I think is worth coming down to look at what Truemont does and what we can offer.